Stuck with the Client Telemetry Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before starting the detailed Client Telemetry library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Client Telemetry Library, a localized client telemetry module. It manages localized unmanaged, localized collection of localized user feature engagement data, and localized crash telemetry within localized third-party, localized application, localized suites. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Because Client Telemetry Library DLL is a proprietary component linked to the localized telemetry orchestration system, a standard Windows repair will not find it, so you must reinstall the program where the error occurred to replace the file. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Client Telemetry library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup-image// restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Most individual downloads of Client Telemetry Library DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing Client Telemetry Library. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Client Telemetry Library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.